Actually, they're supposed to do this stone. Yeah. When they couldn't get the type of stone they want.
Yeah. This place now, eh?
Yes.
This is where the players gather.
Okay.
Before they go to a game. And this place, they have what is called a kiosk. Kiosk where they sell newspapers. So it's just like when you want to go to, so you see people sitting here around this kiosk, waiting before they move for their game. So this place is it's a monumental place, never to forget. So that is why they are putting this in. They wanted a stone from our place. We tried, it was so difficult because they needed something that would last for ages. So they ended up, but there is a stone that is from Biafra land that's under this small stone. That's under this, from Biafra land that's under this. So what you're seeing is like a kiosk where they said it. This figura is, what's it called?
Ikenga. Oh yeah, that's true. That's Ikenga, kind of. Yeah.
So this is the flag. This is 50 years anniversary. Ncheta for Eurasia. This is 50th anniversary of Biafra FC.
In Igbo language.
Also in Igbo.
Y esto es la forma que tenía el periódico.
Kiosk de Pere. Yeah, that is the kiosk of the periódico. From 1969 to 1978, they were. This is where you see. This is their logo. This is their Biafra badge. You see it on their chest.
Una pelota. Y esto es un campo de fútbol, ¿ves?
Yeah. So you see that the design is like a field.
Oh, the pitch, yeah. The pitch. Oh, yeah. Actually, yeah. The pitch, yeah.
And this monument was installed here this day, December 20.
So there's a piece of Biafran stone under this.
Initially, they wanted to do
the whole big stone, yeah.
The big stone, but we couldn't get it. Couldn't get the dimension, thickness.
This is it.
So that's a piece of stone.
Is the most important thing for them. Is the most important is this.
The stone.
Which is the bond? Which is the bond between the Catalonia?
But isn't it ironic that there is no hailstone to remember Biafrans who died in our own land?
In our own land.
This is a big shame. It's a big shame, you know.
What this map? This is African map. So what they put there, this is Biafra. They put a point there for you to know exactly
where the Biafra.
Find Biafra in the map. So if I thought you are looking for a map, you can't find it.
El kiosco este hacía esto así.
So this the kiosk was just. This is exactly the center where the kiosk is. And this is the way it is the form of the kiosk. And the way it was built. So
wow.
you have to.
When this was inaugurated, the mayor of the city was present. When during the inauguration, the mayor of the city and IPUB were present. That was in December 2020.
Okay. Like now, at the end of this year, they are preparing a book. They wrote a book regarding this history. Around December, the book will be launched. I believe that they're also inviting us. Of course, we have something we're going to present to them as well.
In Catalan?
Yeah. They have the book in Catalan and Igbo language.
Wow.
Translated. Yeah, translated in Igbo.
To our people.
It's a very big shame. It's a big shame.
A big.
We thank God for Nnamdi, because if not for
Nnamdi Kanu, this.
We have been able to achieve all this. Nnamdi
We are
a great leader.
You can imagine at the age as old as he is, since 16 years, at the age of 16, he started this project. He said that his friend dream is to see Biafra. From the Biafra will be restored his time.
Esta es la plaza más importante del pueblo.
This is an important
square.
For this city, this village. This is a village.
This is also where they do that. They are archaeology.
Okay.
See there.
Máximo 10 pisos.
More, the longest is 10 stories. 10
stories.
10
people.
10 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, that.
Ooh.
Yeah. 10. Yeah. Like I went up to 4, 5. I didn't 4, 5. I didn't 4, 5. But
yeah.
They modified it. Because Habiba and they totally filled up. So they
built the edifice.
Para hacer uno de 10 pisos necesitamos 500 personas.
To build the 10 stories at your long walk, they need 500 people.
500 people
to get the base.
Build it from there. That is unity.
Si se cae, no puede caer.
that if they fall, they cannot fall on the ground. Fall on
Good. Then, Senor Ramon, perdona, una pregunta. Eso, ¿qué? ¿Vas a una materia?
Kwesịrị imete aka na imete aka. Oh,
To feel it.
Even though you know that we should touch it.
this thing.
Eso.
History. Ha na-ekwu maka ya. Ha na-ekwu maka ya.
Esta torre.
Vale.
Es la más alta de Cataluña.
The most tallest cathedral.
Representa toda la ciudad de Valencia.
It's the logo.
Emblem,
Emblem, yeah.
So they recognize it with
The Biafran.
different this thing.
Our elders, amam ha ga-agwa ndị ede anyị o.
Tienen que seguir.
Far away in Europe, people are still holding on and hoping, praying that Biafra will come, and then the Igbo no na afọtọgharị.